So, like every mother, I started gaining weight after my baby. So, I was constantly searching for something which is a sustainable option for weight reduction. This period, particularly when lockdown started, I realized the thing which I cannot do because of my work, because of my traveling schedule, because of my training schedules, the consistency was not there in earlier exercises and diets and everything. Hi everyone, my name is Sumedha Jalgaonkar. I'm residing in Pune. I'm basically working as a trainer and consultant for food industry. When I started my workout, the only thing which I was enjoying is every day you can choose a different exercise, and that is something which I started enjoying. And our first coach was Kiran, and I can say that he is such a nice trainer. He constantly keep on talking, keep on motivating, and that session was completely lot of volume, lot of interaction and lot of discussion. He's taking everybody's name, and that is something which had given us the motivation to continue with this studio plan. And later on, when I saw the visible differences in my body, and that gave me a lot of confidence, and that gave me a motivation to continue with that plan. And now I can say that in last few months I have reduced almost 6 kgs of weight. But more than weight reduction, I am satisfied about increased in my stamina, because earlier after completion of my everyday's work, evening I was very tired, but now I'm completely energetic throughout the day. We did exercise together, and that was a fun time that we I never remember to have such fun time, which we really explored by doing exercise, by walking together, and by discussing about all the health and weight reduction and everything all about health. So I think that is something really very important for me. For any food or for any diet to follow, it is very important to have availability of ingredients and the stuffs that you have. We were not so sure about the diet and everything, but when they suggested the list of ingredients, I was having such a relief that okay, I don't have to buy something else. Everything is there at my home. I just have to prepare it. I just have to blend it in a nice way so that it can become healthy. And that was a plus point for the diet. Otherwise, most of the times we stop continuing diet, because it is very tedious to buy the things and then to formulate and to make the recipes and all. But all the recipes and ingredients were so easily available, and that was easy for me to follow. Memorable compliments I received personally. On my daughter's birthday, we clicked a photo and I posted it on Instagram, and I received one compliment that now you are looking as the elder sister of your daughter. So I think that is something really gives you satisfaction and happiness to continue with such journey. And weight reduction for this app, through this app basically for me, was not a kind of punishment, but it was a kind of enjoyment for me. And I think that is what will help me to continue with this, and I can say that this will be a sustainable thing to continue with in future also, because that has inculcated a lot of healthy habit, to choose healthy, to eat healthy, portion control and monitoring everything. So I think this is some sort of transformation happened with me, and I'm so happy with this app.